Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. With 4th of July right around the corner, I thought, why not do a 50 4th of July crochet idea video, okay? Now, usually I dress to theme per video, or I try to at least, and I went through my whole closet for a 4th of July America get up and I couldn't find anything, so we're just settling with blue. I was like, well, red, white, and blue. I'm white, my shirt's blue. There you go. Okay, there you go. This video we have 50 4th of July crochet ideas. 38 of them are free and 12 of them are paid, and I will let you know which ones are paid as we go along. If I don't say anything, then it's free, but if I'll tell you if they're paid, okay? And if I don't say anything, that means they're free. We've got 4 categories in this video. We have decor, clothing, bags, and miscellaneous. As always, everything I say will be listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so you can make anything that I'm showing you in this video. If one of your patterns is in this video and you don't want it to be, please message me DM me over on Instagram and I'll take it down immediately. And if I do have yours and it's going to the wrong shop or the wrong place, I've had that happen before. Scammers will take people's patterns and put them on different websites, and I had the wrong website linked. Just DM me over on Instagram and I will put the correct link in the description box. So that disclaimer being said, let's jump right into it. I try to cater towards beginners, so a majority of these will be beginner friendly. I'll let you know if they're a little more advanced, so just so you're aware. But let's jump into the first category, which is decor. Decor is a major part of 4th of July. If you're having a barbecue or you're really just one of those like decor for holidays people, then this category is definitely for you. So the first thing I have in this category is a 4th of July wreath, okay? It looks like they used like a foam ring or like foam tubing you can get at like any craft store and crocheted around it. So that's kind of cool. You can make this bald eagle pillow and the little matching little square pillows, okay, if those are your thing. You can make some patriotic star coasters if you're having people over. That's a fun one. You can even make a C2C flag placement, okay? This is a C2C pattern, so if you've never done C2C crochet before, that's a kind of a good way to get your feet wet, but that's kind of cool placemat pattern for you. All these ones are free. This one's also free. It's a Betsy Ross apron. So if you are going to be doing a lot of barbecuing or cooking for 4th of July and you want to kind of show your American pride in style, there's an apron for you. You can also make this really cute table runner to go down the table for your barbecue or your dinner or whatever you're having. I know it's common over here to do barbecues with fireworks, so but you can also make this pillow set as well, or even these mason jar covers, because you're going to use some mason jars to put your plastic forks and spoons and stuff in for the barbecue. So you can crochet a nice little American flag set mason jar covers. You can also make these star-spangled banner decor to go around your house or even outside. Anything that's not buying like Party City plastic is probably better, so definitely make those. You can really get nitty-gritty and make these oven mitts, okay? If you're going to spend a lot of time in the kitchen or barbecuing, make some oven mitts. And what's cool about these is you can whip them out next year for 4th of July, so you can reuse them a lot, which is really good. You want to avoid using like single use decor, so you can also make this party banner, which is more like a party banner style, just in 4th of July colors, so that's kind of fun. You can also make this wreath, which is a little more detailed. It's using more American flags and stars and kind of wrapping them instead of crocheting like a tube around a tube, if that makes sense, like the other one was. You can just make a straight up American flag, crocheted American flag, okay? If you're a crocheter and a proud American, you can make a crochet American flag, and you could even double this as like a blanket if you want. I don't know if that's illegal. Is that illegal? I think you can buy American flag blankets, so I don't think that's illegal. I don't know. You can make the star table runner if you didn't like the straight table runner I showed you earlier. You can make some mug rugs, some USA mug rugs. USA, USA. Every time I see USA, all I think of is that USA chant. You can make this candy bowl or candle cover. Candy bowl or candy cover. Candle cover or candy bowl. Oh my gosh. Hats if you want to for your party. You can make a little patriotic top hat and put it on one of your small animals or stuffed animals. You can make these star coasters, keychains, wall decor. You can make these circle coasters in a patriotic fashion, okay? You can also just make some generic star coasters, okay? And if coasters aren't enough for you, you can make fluffy star pillows with some blanket yarn or burlap velvet yarn, either or, and make some cute stars. Even if you don't make those in patriotic colors, I think they're cute in general if you just want to make like gold stars, okay? You can also use this bundle of food appliques, like with common 4th of July barbecue foods and a flag, okay? You can make this pinwheel, which is kind of fun, a little elaborate, a little more advanced. And then this is our first paid pattern. It's this firework, super cute. I imagine this like on a couch next to like some American pillows when family's over for 4th of July. Again, what's cool about this is you can reuse it any year. So another paid that paid pattern was $5.75. Okay, I'm also gonna put the price because that was a note I had on the other video, was to include the price when they're paid. So that one's $5.75. This one is another paid one. It's a patriotic gnome, and it is $3.20. Now this one's free. It's just a plain old American flag applique if you want to add it to stuff. If you don't want to do a whole apron, you just want to crochet the flag and then sew it on the apron, you can do that. This one is a beer cozy and coffee sleeve combo, paid for $2. This one's a free wavy flag pattern if you want a little more wave to your flag applique. You can also make this can cozy. This can cozy is a free YouTube video. So if you liked the paid one that you saw earlier, you could do this one as a substitute. You can make this wine topper, which is super cute if you're showing up to a function and you're bringing wine. That'd be kind of cute. The wine topper pattern is paid. It's $5.95. And you can make this free wind spinner in patriotic colors, which is really fun if you're doing a barbecue or an outdoor pool party or something, because those things will just spin. It'll be super cute. You can make this wall hanging, which is another paid one, for $5. You can make this United States map pillow in like a plaid pattern, okay? This one's another paid one, $5.25. You can make these little bald eagle appliques to put on things, $4.50 pattern, and this is another paid $3 pattern for an eagle pot holder, which is super cute and definitely worth $3. So check that one out. And that is all I have for decor. So let's jump into our next category, which is clothing. So we have a couple for clothing. This first one's a free one. It's this striped halter top, super cute, especially if you're doing a pool party. I think we're doing a pool party this year. For 4th of July, I'm going to a pool party. So that one's really cute. If you have a baby and it's their first 4th of July, you can crochet this baby dress. It's a free pattern. And this one's a paid one. It's another top you could wear, and this one is a vintage top, which is paid $2. That other one was $5. This one is the 70s vintage top for $2, and you can make this shirt, which is an $8 pattern, which is a hefty amount for a pattern, but it's a cute alternative if you don't want to wear a halter top or a crop top. There's a shirt option. And that is all I have for you for clothing, so let's jump into the bag category. Okay, so for bags, we have two bag options. We have, both of them are free. We have this tote bag, which is giving stripes. It's giving America. And then we have this beach bag style bag with a red, white, and blue kind of style, but it's a little more chevron, almost chevron, more wavy, but they're both free. So those are your bag options. And that's all I have for bags. So let's jump into our last category, which is miscellaneous. So for miscellaneous, we've got a bald eagle. straight up, okay? A bald eagle stuffed bald. I can't even say bald eagle. Why do I get a speech impediment when I'm trying to say eagle? Okay, bald eagle. Jesus Christ. Okay. Then you could also make this free rocket ship pattern. Okay. You can make this one. I thought was so cool. When I came across it, I was like, oh, I'm adding this to the list because I love this one. It's a checkerboard blanket with pillows. Yes, okay. That one's awesome. And you can make this free striped bow if you have kids, or if you want to be JoJo and wear a bow. You can make this bucket hat, this patriotic bucket hat, super cute, also free. And you can make some patriotic bandanas for you or for your kids, another free one. And you can really just go simple and make some patriotic bracelets, or add to an outfit you already kind of have picked out. Crochet some bracelets, or crochet some and give them to the kids that come to the barbecue, whatever. That one's a cute free one. And then our last one is a paid one. It's $4, and it's the patriotic themed popsicle hand cozies. Okay, in my summer video I just did, I mentioned popsicle hand cozies, and I found these ones which are specific to 4th of July. So I thought that would be kind of fun for those of you who are making the cozies, the normal ones, and you're gonna have a 4th of July bash. Definitely make the themed ones. I think that'd be so fun. And then you could whip them out every year for 4th of July, okay? And that is all I have for you for our 50 4th of July crochet ideas. I hope you're able to find something to make for your get-together, or to bring to a get-together, or whatever. I hope you guys have a fun and safe 4th of July, okay? Safe, emphasis on safe. Don't be doing illegal things. Don't drive if you're drunk, call someone. Just a friendly reminder, everything I said is listed in the description box below, in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial, so you can make whatever I just showed you, okay? I also have them all on a cohesive Pinterest board. I'll also link the Pinterest board down below if you're a Pinterest girly like I am. And other than that, if you have a problem with any of these patterns in the video, DM me over on Instagram. If I'm linking them to the wrong place, or you don't want yours in the video, I can cut it out. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!